Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're tired of spending your weekends pushing a lawnmower and want to keep your yard looking perfectly trimmed with zero effort, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot mowers in 2025 that are smart, efficient, and totally game-changing for lawn care. So, sit back and relax as we show you the best options on the market. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you enjoy smart home tech like this. And be sure to check out the product links in the description box below for more details. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the GARDENA 15301-41, all-new 2025 SILENO Flex, a German-engineered robotic mower designed for the most challenging lawns. Whether you're dealing with thick grass or uneven ground, this powerful mower delivers a clean, professional cut from 1 to 4 inches in height, across all grass types. At number 4, we have the Sunseeker Fi 3 wireless robot lawn mower, designed for lawns up to 0.15 acres, 6,400 square feet. One of the biggest highlights? It starts mowing with just one touch, no complicated installation or boundary wires required. In just 3 minutes, it's up and running. The real magic lies in its Vision 6 dual eye system, which uses AI-powered 3D vision to detect and avoid over 160 types of obstacles, from flower pots to pets. This adaptive intelligence allows the mower to learn your yard over time and navigate complex terrain like a pro, including slopes up to 42%. With multi-zone navigation, low noise operation, and a cutting width of 8 inches adjustable between 1.57 and 3.2 inches, the V3 gives you precision edge cutting along every path and patio. Coming in at number 3 is the LawnMaster OcuMow V BRM701YAMIDR, a perimeter wire-free robot mower that uses optical navigation and obstacle avoidance. Ideal for lawns up to 1/6 acre, the OcuMow is almost completely plug-and-play. Just place the dock, power it up, and you're good to go. No wires, no antennas, and minimal setup. Through the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected app, you can control mowing schedules and monitor your mower in real time. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the dock and resumes mowing after a quick 2-hour charge. It even has a drop-in mow mode to handle secondary lawn areas without needing an outdoor power source. Perfect for backyards or garden paths that aren't near your main lawn. Taking the number 2 spot is the heavy-duty Sunseeker X7 wireless robot lawn mower, a beast built for medium to large yards up to 0.75 acres, 32,000 square feet. The X7 is truly next-gen, using a combination of RTK GNSS satellite navigation, Vision AI, and smart path planning to offer flawless mowing precision, even in tricky, irregularly shaped gardens. With its AWD, all-wheel drive system, and adaptive floating dual-blade design. And finally, number 1 on our list is the revolutionary ECOVACS GOAT 1000 RTK Robot Lawn Mower, the ultimate in robotic mowing for 2025. Designed for lawns up to 1/4 acre, the GOAT 1000 ditches wires completely. Its automated mapping system and AI boundary recognition mean you don't need to spend hours setting it up.